In this video, we will see how to edit employee shift preferences. In the top right corner, click the Options drop-down menu and select Shift Preferences. Select an employee and click the Edit icon. Enter the employee's shift preferences, including shift timings and the days on which those timings apply. Select the employee's weekly off days. Once you are done, click the tick icon above to save the changes. Repeat the same steps for other employees. The shift preferences are now active and will be reflected in the schedule.